Good morning, students. Let's start our EVS work. Today we will discuss our lesson number 11 book work. The name of the lesson is Weather and Season. Let's start. Look at your screen. It is page number 87. First of all, write the date. After that, start your work. First one, something to do. Something to do. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. You have to choose word from given and write it here. First one, in summer season we wear light dash clothes. समर सीज़न में हम कौन से कपड़े पहनते हैं? सिल्क और कॉटन. You know very well, in summer season we use cotton clothes. So you have to tick it first and write it here, cotton. Okay. Second one, we sit near a. When we read this chapter, you learn where we sit. When it is winter season, we sit near a dash. In winter season, given option is heater or cooler. Because it is winter, so we sit near the heater. You have to write it here. Third one, we see a rainbow in the sky. In when we see a rainbow, I told you, winter or rainy, it is rainy. So put a tick here and write it here. Number 4, in summer season we like to drink. In summer season we like to drink dash coffee. What will be the answer? Cold or hot? Because it is summer, so we prefer to take cold drinks. So we tick here cold and place it here. Number 5, in rainy season we use dash. What we use in rainy season? Umbrellas or mufflers? It is umbrellas. Put a tick and write it here. Okay beta. Now second, state true or false for the following statement. Here are some statements which are true or false. You have to find whether it is true or false and write it here. First of all, we wear jackets when it is cold. You know very well, when it is very cold we wear woolen clothes. So jacket is also a woolen. So we will write it here true. T-R-U-E, true. Second, there are 3 main seasons in India. You know very well that there is 3 main seasons in India. It is right statement. So we will write here true. The sky is full of dark clouds in summer season. Is it right or wrong? डार्क क्लाउड्स कब होते हैं? हमारे रेनी सीजन में होते हैं, बट इन्होंने बोला है इट इज़ इन द समर सीजन, सो वी विल हियर फॉल्स. ओके. नंबर 4, वेदर चेंजेस फ्रॉम डे टू डे. ये आपने पहले भी पढ़ा है. वेरी फर्स्ट आई टोल्ड यू दैट वेदर चेंजेस डे टू डे. इट इज़ अ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट, सो वी विल राइट हियर ट्रू. नंबर 5, days and nights are cold in winter season. Yes, because winter season also has started, so days and nights are cold, so it is a true statement. Okay beta. Next, number 6, spring and autumn season are found at every place. No, in India there are only 3 seasons, so it is a wrong statement ki spring or autumn are found in every place. It is a false statement, so we will hear false. Okay, move to the next page, page number 88. Solve the riddles. अब हमने कुछ riddles दी हैं, इसको हमने रीड करना है और इसको सॉल्व करना है, पर ये आपको पिक्चर से भी क्लियर हो जाएगा बेटा. सो रीड इट फर्स्ट. द सन इज सो ब्राइट, आई वियर clothes that are light. Guess the name of the season. What is the name of this season? It is summer season. So you will write here summer season. Okay. Next, I just want to snuggle in deep. It is too cold. I want to sleep. Guess the name of the season. It is winter season. And last one, water everywhere. Raincoat and gumboots I wear. Guess the name of the season. It is a rainy season. There are the three main season of India: summer season, winter season, and rainy season. So you have to complete this lesson and send me your pic of the pages. Okay beta, thank you.